I like this. Spare me a dragon, spare me your legs out. Really wanna know what's going on. I'm gonna restart it for you. Spare me a dragon, spare me your legs out. Really wanna know what's going on underneath. I'm an undercover cop in my badge and my zipper. Do you wanna touch, go deeper? You know they were clicking, your clip is a clipper. The morning kisses got me feeling tipsy, just to mention a few. But I'm enjoying the view. You're like a cocktail in the balcony. You're like a sunset and a sonnet mixed together. Let's skip the talking.
Woza Sizombatha.